I've been really excited for this fly-in since hearing about it. The Salton Sea makes a great host for two of my favorite toys that are always best enjoyed with friends: paramotors and onewheels. If you haven't noticed, we're stocked up on both.
Say it was the right time to walk away, but dreaming takes you nowhere. It's time to play. Body's working overtime, money don't matter. Time keeps ticking, someone's on the mind, on the mind. Moving in slow motion, feels so good. It's a strange anticipation, knocking on wood. Body's working overtime, it's man against man. All that matters is baby who's ahead in the game. Funny, but it's always the same. Playing with the boys, staying, playing with.
I'm sure you're most curious about one-wheeling, as you should be. Like every other kid, ever since I saw Back to the Future 2, I've been patiently waiting for my
Hoverboard.
one-wheeling, or floating as they say, is the closest you'll get until the hoverboard is available on Amazon. For the times we can't fly, the one-wheel provides. Some of the guys from Team Fly Halo are here, which is a huge bonus. I trained with them last year, but they continue to mentor and encourage me to progress at a safe pace while keeping it fun. When starting an activity with high penalty points, it's always smart to surround yourself by the best. Paramotoring is actually quite safe if you can make good decisions and keep your ego in check. A continuous struggle for us all. Boyd was my instructor while Canyon handled all my gear choices, and I couldn't be more satisfied with either. Rob Burke is also an instructor and flying enthusiast. While more than generous sharing his knowledge of flying, I never could get the secret to how he kept his white shoes clean all week, but I'm pretty sure it has something to do with the way he flies. That's a lot of wings. The most memorable moment of the trip for me was seeing the forging of the paramotor and one wheel by Boyd. Kiting a wing with a 60-pound weight on your back while balancing on a one wheel in an unconventional launching position is no small feat.
Come on, buddy.
Almost everyone has left for home or Glamis to continue the adventure. I'm already late for a canyoneering trip but decided to sneak in one last flight. I'm exhausted, which always means it's been a great trip when I've sacrificed sleep for long days of flying and late nights at the campfire with friends. Although low on fuel and arms sore, I have enough in me to finish the trip with one of my favorite things, climbing high and killing the motor. Most of us at one point have wondered what it's like to be a bird. I think this is as close as we get to knowing.